Staying connected at sea is essential for yacht owners, captains, and maritime businesses. Whether for navigation, communication, or entertainment, the best marine internet in Aventura, Florida ensures high-speed, uninterrupted connectivity no matter where you sail. Why choose our marine internet solutions? Experience low-latency, high-speed satellite internet with Starlink Maritime. Stay connected even in remote waters. Easy integration with existing marine electronics. Tailored for yachts, commercial vessels, and marinas. Maximizing connectivity with multiple Starlink antennas ensures uninterrupted connectivity, even in rough weather. Faster downloads and real-time data processing for luxury yachts and commercial vessels. Easily managed by yacht owners and crew. Optimize performance while reducing operational downtime. Why upgrade with Concord Marine Electronics? Professional setup for seamless connectivity. Solutions tailored to your vessel's specific needs. Trusted in the industry for top-tier technology. Transform your onboard connectivity with Starlink Maritime and premium marine internet solutions. Contact Concord Marine Electronics today for a personalized consultation and keep your yacht connected wherever you sail.